Okay, now that you have your app imported into MIT App Inventor, we want to run the app so that we can see how it actually works. To do this, you're going to click on Connect, and then you're going to select Chromebook. This little pop-up will pop up, and you're going to select Remember My Choice and Open. Now, if it doesn't open right away, the Play Store, if you just tap the power button, it will open. Okay? Now, when you get to this, you want to click on Install, and then you're going to click on Open. My administrator has it blocked, so that doesn't help. But you're going to have it all set up, and it will work on your computer where it's not working on mine. But you're going to install it, and then you're going to open it. When you open it, down at the bottom, you're going to right-click on it, and you're going to select Pin, which is obviously not here right now because I did not install it. But you're going to pin it to your taskbar. Okay, close this out again. Once it's done, you're going to go back to Connect, and you need to reset your connection, and then connect and select Chromebook again. Then you will be able to see your app functioning as an app, as if you are the user.